Yes, I am a great big dragon, but I don't want to be so scary. So gather round, my friends. Let's share some laughs and stories. Here's my first poem for you. Just a drifting o'er the leaves like a dewdrop fancy free, playing with the gentle breezes, romping with the bumblebees. Oh, what fun! Joy never ceases. Oh, that was fun. Let me tell you another. Here we go. First, I saw the white bear. Then I saw the black. Then I saw the camel with a hump upon his back. Then I saw the gray wolf with mutton in his maw. And then I saw the wombat waddle in the straw. Then I saw the elephant, a waving of his trunk. And then I saw the monkeys. Mercy, how unpleasantly they smelt. I'm the dragon of Grindley Grun. I breathe fire as hot as the sun. When a knight comes to fight, I just toast him on sight like a hot, crispy cinnamon bun. Oh, you guys like poetry too. Here's a great one. The great Tyrannosaurus lived centuries ago. Through marshes wet and porous he rambled to and fro. The most tremendous lizard that ever browsed on meat. His length from A to Izzard was 47 feet. If you ever meet a dinosaur, I wouldn't stand there staring. He might decide to eat you up, just like a pickled herring. Unless he is an herbivore, like a big apatosaurus. Still, avoid the gassy end. His farts could kill a forest.